Iran's military doctrine is a fascinating blend of Western military concepts and ideological tenets. Let's look into the key aspects. 1. Asymmetric warfare. Iranian doctrine emphasizes asymmetric warfare, capitalizing on their strengths such as geography, strategic depth, and a willingness to accept casualties. This approach allows them to challenge technologically superior adversaries, like the United States, by inflicting psychological defeats that inhibit an enemy's willingness to fight. Iran aims to deter aggression. 2. Hybrid doctrine. Since the Iran-Iraq War 1980-1988, Iranian military doctrine has evolved. Concepts like self-reliance, holy defense, and export of the revolution emerged during this war. The doctrine combines pre-revolutionary ideas, influenced by the US, with post-revolutionary elements, resulting in a unique hybrid. Iran acknowledges its limited chances in conventional force-on-force conflict and opts for a deterrence-based model of attrition warfare. 3. Retaliatory deterrence. Iran's strategy revolves around retaliatory deterrence. By threatening swift retaliation, including terrorist, missile, or cyber attacks, they aim to convince adversaries to refrain from conflict escalation. This approach discourages opponents from engaging in aggressive actions. 4. Defensive focus. Iran's military doctrine centers on 4 primary objectives: regime security, protecting the government from subversion and instability; territorial defense, safeguarding Iranian territory; demonstrative deterrence, displaying force to signal resolve; retaliatory deterrence, threatening retaliation in response to threats. In summary, Iran's military strategy combines pragmatism, ideology, and a keen understanding of its own strengths and weaknesses to navigate complex geopolitical challenges.